Ikaw pa rin lahat. Anak, honest question ha. May staff ka na ba sa business mo pero ikaw pa rin ang gumagawa ng majority of the work? Let me share the story of Mon and Abby, a couple who owns a restaurant. And meron silang 5 employees. Pero every morning, si Mon pa rin ang nag-check ng mga stocks nila. Si Abby naman, siya pa rin ang nag-handle ng customer orders and complaints. Pag may special events or catering, sila pa rin ang nag-overtime. Mommy N, sabi sa akin ni Abby, we tried delegating na. We trained our people multiple times. Pero balik pa rin sa amin lahat. And Simon, he was just as frustrated. Mas mabilis kung ako ang gagawa kaysa turuan ko sila. Sound familiar? Here's what I realized after talking to them. They were trying to teach everything all at once. Orders, customer service, quality control, scheduling, lahat sabay-sabay. No wonder nalilito ang mga staff nila. You see, anak, delegation is not about dumping tasks. It is about building systems na kayang i-follow ng iba. And the secret? Focus on one task at a time. Tinuruan ko si Mon at saka si Abby ng simple framework. Choose one task that drains your energy the most and document it step by step. Use it to train properly. Once lang. Tapos mag-monitor, mag-adjust, tapos move to the next task. They started with inventory management. Instead of explaining everything verbally, they created a simple checklist. They assigned it to just one person. And they spent 1 week improving the system. And you know what? For the first time in 3 years, Mon did not have to check inventory every morning na. One task lang. Pero yung peace of mind that it gave them, it was priceless. Kaya 6 months later, they have successfully delegated 3 major tasks. So now, they can focus on growing the business instead of drowning in it. So sabi sa akin ni Abby, Mami N, we finally feel like restaurant owners. Hindi na namin nafe-feel na parang empleyado kami ng aming sariling kitchen. So, alam mo anak, ang problema hindi yung wala kang tao. The problem is that you don't know how to delegate without getting worried afterwards. Kaya, get one task off your plate. Yan yung course na makakaturo sa inyo how to remove just one task. Pero with peace, with control, with quality. Hindi ka mag-iisa sa journey na to. Let me show you the system na proven na so that finally, hindi ka na slave ng sarili mong business. The truth is this, you don't need to delegate everything agad. You just need to delegate the right thing the right way, starting with one task. Build the system and get your life back. Check the link in the comments and enroll in Get One Task Off Your Plate today. Because anak, your business should serve your life, not the other way around. Kaya let's be business-minded, Pinoy.